Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear 10th class. How are you, dear students? Now we are going to discuss theorem number 1 from chapter number 12 from your Punjab textbook board class 10th. Okay, dear students, the statement of this theorem is the measure of the central angle of a minor arc of a circle. First of all, my dear students, first information is that we have a circle with center O, and after that we will draw a minor arc, and according to this, suppose this is AC. This AC is a minor arc of a circle, and here we will draw the two angles. The measure of the central angle of a minor arc. This is the minor arc, and the circle and the angle which is subtended at this center, this is known as the central angle. This angle O, it is known as the central angle. Okay, this angle AOC. This is AC is a minor arc, and angle AOC means this angle is the central angle. And we will prove that this central angle is a double of the angle corresponding of the major arc. Suppose AC is the minor arc, and then this ABC, this is the major arc. Okay, this is the correspondence of the minor arc. AC is a minor arc and ABC is the major arc. These two arcs are the corresponding with each other, and we will prove that this central angle is the double of the circumangle, angle ABC. Angle B is the circumangle and angle O is the central angle. So we will, after drawing the figure, now we will move to given that AC is the arc of a circle with center O, and angle AOC is the central angle, and angle ABC is the circumangle, as I have discussed. We will prove that measurement of angle AOC means central angle. Angle AOC means this angle is a double of the measurement of angle ABC. Angle ABC means this is the greater angle and this is the shorter angle. This is the double of this. You can observe with the help of the figure also that this is the greater angle according to this. Now construction, we will join B with O and produce it to the center of the circle. We will join B with center O. Okay, B with O, and we will produce a line and we will join it, intersect this at the point D. Okay, and after that we will have 6 angles. Now we will name these angles like angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, 4, angle 5 and angle 6. And after that, now we will move to the part proof. Statements and reasons in the table. First statement is that measurement of angle 1 equals to measurement of angle 3. Why? Because you know that this is a triangle. This is a one triangle AOB. In this, these two angles are the same side, at the same side of the chord. Okay, so these are the equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, like this angle 2 is equals to angle 4. Okay, because these both angles are lie at this chord of the same chord of the circle. So angle 2 equals to angle 4. And now angle 5. This angle 5 is the equals to the sum of angle 1 plus sum of angle plus 1 plus 3. Means angle 5 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 3, because angle, you can see that angle 5 is the external angle, and external angle is always equals to the sum of the opposite internal angles. Angle 1 and angle 3 are the opposite angles. Angle 1 and angle 3, these are the opposite angles, so that why angle 5 is equals to the sum of angle 1 and angle 3, and like similarly angle 6 is the equals to the sum of angle 2 and angle 4. We will write these two things and name this. But my dear students, we can see that measurement of angle 5 is equals to measurement of angle 1 plus measurement of angle 3. But you know that 1 and angle 3 both are equal. So we can write this measurement of angle 5 equals to measurement of angle 3 and measurement of angle 3, because 1 and 3 are equal. So we can write 3 instead of measurement of angle 1. Okay, and now since both are the same angles, so we will write this 2 measurement of angle 3 means double of measurement of angle 3 by using statement 1 and 3. And similarly, measurement of angle 6 equals to measurement of angle 2 plus measurement of angle 4. We can write this measurement of angle 6 is equals to angle 4 plus angle 4 means double of angle 4. And now from figure we will combine, add these two statement 5 and 6 as it is, that measurement of angle 5 plus measurement of angle 6 is equals to double of measurement of angle 3 plus double of measurement of angle 4. And from this you know that sum of angle 5 and angle 6 is a sum of angle measurement of angle AOC. So we can write this measurement of angle AOC is the, we will take 2 as common and write measurement of angle 3 and angle 4, and you know that measurement of angle 3 and angle 4 is the angle ABC. So we will write this measurement of angle ABC, and hence we have proved that the central angle AOC is the double of the circumangle ABC. Hence it is proved.